What's the meaning of Cabinet Office? Cabinet Office. Cabinet Office.
Cabinet Office. Cabinet Office. The Cabinet Office is a governmental body in several countries, including the United Kingdom and Japan. It is responsible for providing strategic policy advice to the head of government and managing the coordination of government policies and activities. The Cabinet Office plays an important role in the efficient operation of the government by overseeing various departments, such as national security, public service reform, and civil contingencies. In summary, the Cabinet Office serves as a central hub for coordinating policies and ensuring effective governance in a country.